In example 1, we are given that the mean height for women is 65 inches with a standard deviation of 3 inches. We're going to draw and label a normal curve. So I'll start the curve up like this, just kind of make it nice and bell-shaped. It's by hand, so it's probably not going to be perfect, but it can be close. And I'm going to try to make these lines here, here, and here. So this will be our mean. This will be 1 to the right, 2 to the right, and 3 to the right. This will be 1 to the left, 2 to the left, and this will be our 3 to the left. So the mean here is 65. The standard deviation is 3 inches, so we'll add 3. We'll get 68, 71, and 74. And then we're going to go back here and we're going to write down 62. That's 65 minus 3. 62 minus 3 is 59. And 59 minus 3 is 56. Now, one thing we're asked about is are the percents that fall in between 59 and 71 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write some stuff here on the normal model for you. It turns out between 1 standard deviation below and 1 above, that's going to be about 68% of the data is going to fall right in there. Also, we've got this one, which is 95%, and that's going to be 2 standard deviations. And then we've got 99.7% will fall within 3 standard deviations either way of the mean. Let's use it to answer part B. So it says, what percent of women's heights fall between 59 and 71 inches? Well, 59 is right here, 71 is right here. So that's from 2 standard deviations below to 2 above, and we can see that that's 95% of the data. So you would expect, out of a survey of 100 women, you would expect 95 to have heights between 59 and 71 inches, somewhere in there. The mean height for men is 70 inches. This is the next one here, part C. If 68% of men's heights fall between 65 and 75 inches, what is the standard deviation for men? Well, if we look here, we've got from 1 standard deviation below and 1 above, 68% is right there. And the mean here is 70. And if we go 70 minus 5, we get to 65. And if we do 70 plus 5, we get to 75. So the standard deviation for this situation must be 5. That produces a situation here that's just like part C.